Fashion tech, fashion AI, and 3D meet at the crossroads of style. No one is alone on this journey. I am only a guide. I learn and grow just like you. I am just like you. Fashion moves me, technology fuels me, sustainability grounds me.